Ever wondered what your city's budgets look like? Spoiler alert, it's more spreadsheets than treasure maps. But don't worry, Transparent Idaho has made it simple and, dare I say, fun. Let's check out the Transparent Idaho City page, where we've gathered workforce and financial data for all Idaho cities into easy-to-use reports. Whether you're curious about every city or just want to dive into one specific city, we've got you covered. You can search for any city here using the drop-down. Right now, we're checking out Blackfoot. With just one click, you can explore everything from budgets to revenues, expenditures, salaries, fund balances, and even a handy Documents tab. Let's check out a couple of these tabs. Here's the Budget tab. Look at all that transparency. You can see exactly how Blackfoot is planning to spend its money. Want to explore another city? Just head back to the drop-down, pick a different one, and let the data adventure continue. Transparent Idaho's city page isn't just about numbers. It's about empowering you to understand how your city operates. Ready to see your city's story? Head over to transparent.idaho.gov and start exploring.
Thanks for tuning in to our transparency tutorial. If you like to learn about Transparent Idaho, please visit our site at transparent.idaho.gov. And don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube for more information on government transparency.